Audrey, you asked how the food was. It was delicious. We ate a lot of food. We had every night at the hotel, and one of the things that really strikes me about food in Israel is there's a lot of fruit and vegetables. No pork, no bacon, because neither Jews or Muslims eat pork. But we had ham and steak and lots of fruits and vegetables and salads and so forth. It was very good food. I don't know if you realize that's in Israel or in the scriptures. Um, One of the messianic signs that they were looking for was that there would be abundant provision of food. And so when Jesus, that's why the crowds got so excited when Jesus turned. It took 5 loaves of bread and a couple fish and fed 5,000 people with it and had basketfuls left over. So they saw that as a sign that he was the Messiah. And Jesus even used the image of food. He said, "I am the bread of life." Right? He said, "I am the water of life. I'm the living water." And so, in so many ways, food became an image of that he used to describe how essential he is to life. But anyway, the food in Israel was delicious. We enjoyed it. We had plenty of food, good breakfast, good suppers, and on the road we ate a lot of falafel and sandwiches, meat inside of a pita bread, and sometimes they put everything in there: the sauce, the bread, the meat, the vegetables, even the French fries. So anyway, the food was really good, and our Lord is really good. And He says, the scriptures say, "Taste and see that the Lord is good."